sister.
Shreya Ninjavar.
She's never done my makeup. Let's get started with our makeup today.
Let's start with the foundation.
Foundation? I just moisturized. Are you gonna prep a bit, please?
No.
Oh no! What the hell? Put some primer, no.
Primer? Which is the primer now?
This is the
fix it spray, na?
This is after the. This is good. This is good. The second one okay, I like. If you're doing your makeup on your own, just let me go there. I don't know.
We are starting with the foundation. The tone is yours only, no foundation. So
Do whatever you want.
what should I do? I don't have water.
I don't know. This is not open.
Okay, so I don't have water here, so this is the thing that I use. But
Okay.
I'm not here for any suggestions, darling.
Oh my god, look at the amount you put.
Wait,
Is this even?
it is not finished yet. The flawless finish will come after sometime.
A few moments later.
No, why it is not blending in with your skin? It's some fault on your skin. There's some fault with you only. There's no fault with me. I don't know. I've done makeup so many times. I've done my makeup. Why this is happening?
Oh my god.
This is the foundation is not good, I suppose. This is Huda Beauty foundation. This is not good.
Okay. Huda, if you're listening.
थोड़ा सा इधर face कर.
2,000 years later.
Oh my eye!
Sorry. I'll start with the concealer now. Where
Has it blended?
No.
Okay.
But
So why you're going with the concealer? I'm just saying.
Because it's not happening, so then I'm just skipping to the good part.
Can we skip to the good part?
This is NARS.
NARS, yeah, NARS. NARS. Okay, everybody got it.
I have to use the additive.
Don't put it in my eyes. Oh my god, my
Sorry.
hair. You want me to do? Achha,
What do you want? Everything's perfect.
Do, huh?
Where's the contour stick? Oh my god.
Oh my god, are you contouring as well? Tell them which one is it?
Fenty Beauty.
Which
what?
shade?
The shade is
Mocha. Okay, Pantene Mocha, okay.
We do that.
You know how to contour?
Do the fish thing.
Oh my god.
You have to do like that.
No comments.
Okay. Then don't comment. Oh my god also.
I'm cutting it from an axe. Oh my god, this is my skin.
Oh sorry.
I forgot.
Oh, let's go to the browns. Brown brow pencil. Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil.
Like, I hope you haven't done anybody else's makeup.
Not in mine.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Clearly, we know how you look today.
I look good.
Ah.
I look good now.
Maybe.
So I've done this myself.
This is Torrid by NARS, okay?
Can you use these?
Close up, guys.
Oh, it's not blended, I suppose.
We are using the Morphe brushes.
Okay.
So pretty purple brushes.
That's okay. That's enough. Just give me the brushes.
It's so loud. We are using the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, okay?
Okay. Wait. I'll do a makeup that you've never seen before.
She'll do makeup that I have never seen before. Yeah, definitely. I haven't.
Because
My
I'm not
face is
done
white.
yet, na? I'm using the color amber. What do we say to this area? What
Crease line.
Crease line. This is important. Okay, now when we apply to the crease and you feel that it's not good enough and it's all, so you have to take a brush which is clean
Okay.
and then Let's take desert sand. No. Cancel.
Okay.
Let's take Eden. Eden. Okay. Just close your eyes. See, this is a very easy eye makeup, and everybody can do it if they want to. With a finger.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah,
You want me to put?
Yeah, you
This one also.
put any, but the glitter should come a little bit. Oh my god!
It's fine.
No, it's disgusting.
You only told me to put.
Remove it right now. You've spoiled my whole makeup.
What a bad person you are.
I'll blend it in.
I knew you.
I knew it. I already
Knew it. I knew that she's gonna get it up.
spoiled it.
It was spoiled only. You only told me
It
to
is
put.
spoiled only. I take
You
offense
told,
to that.
you told me to put this now.
I didn't say anything. You.
It's recorded now. You can't even lie.
So we're
Now-
using this BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette.
Brazil, not Brazil.
That was the dancing part.
Okay. In the black color.
You just have to make a line, like a line, just a line.
So please never be a makeup artist, but okay.
I'm not becoming one, so you're safe, okay? If I enter the industry,
हो जाएगा सही में. Everybody will look at the moment they look at your clients.
Eden again.
Nobody is going to follow your tutorial anyway. Now she's using the. You only gifted me this
Yeah, I gifted that. I gifted that.
Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette.
Which is the highlighter brush?
None of these.
Oh, it's
She's taken the color Satchels, if that's what it's called. I take again now for the other eye.
It's okay. Yeah, it's fine. So now I'll apply the eyeliner.
Okay guys, so this is the eye look that Shreya's done for me. It's very nice, I must say. But now she's applying liner because that's very important. Okay, go on. It just looks so good. I mean, it's just so different from each other, na? Because nowadays that's the trend. I think 2020 is all about change. Guys, I think I'll now zoom out.
Yeah.
I'll kill you.
I'll do it. This is the good part. Lipstick on teeth.
It's literally on my nose.
It was nice. Wait, I'll put more.
Shreya, I'll do it. It's fine.
This is so fun.
That's it.
This was fun.
So guys, we are done with our look. I have so this is my final look. This is how I look. I can't even like fathom the fact that she was so patient with me. She didn't even trouble me at all. And her makeup, I don't think anybody in India does this kind of makeup, to be very honest. This is international makeup and it's not even national. I'm not even kidding here. It's just so well blended, and the tones, oh my god, that's the new trend. Ki gala, so neck should be different color and face should be different color. Totally.
Is this what kind of
No. This is trend 2022 and I'm gonna put a clickbait on this, the trend 2020. So guys, if you like our look, then please give us a thumbs up. I know that you definitely laughed a lot. And if you did, then that was our purpose. Thank you so much for following us. Please follow us on Instagram. Follow her on Instagram. She goes by the name
Shreyani Jhawan.
Yeah.
Don't try this at home, and if you try it at your own risk, okay?
With this, we sign off. Renaissance Beauty here. Bye bye, guys.